Question. State the differences between acids and bases. Solution acids. Acids are sour in taste. Acids don't feel soapy on touch. Acid changes blue litmus to red. Examples: curd, lemon juice, oranges, vinegar. Bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Bases feel soapy on touch. Bases change red litmus to blue. Examples: baking soda, detergent, soaps. Question. What is meant by neutralization reaction? Give one example. Or, what happens when an acid reacts with a base? Solution. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are formed in neutralization with the evolution of heat. Acid plus base produces salt plus water plus heat. Example: lemon juice plus baking soda produces salt plus water plus gas. Question. What do you mean by soil treatment? Solution. Soil treatment means fixing the soil so plants can grow better. If a farmer uses too much chemical fertilizer, the soil can turn too acidic, and plants won't grow well. To correct acidic soil, farmers add basic substances like quicklime or slaked lime. If the soil is too basic, organic matter such as compost or manure is added. This releases natural acids into the soil, helping to neutralize its basic nature. Question. What is the effect of an ant bite? Explain its cure. Solution. When an ant bites, it puts a little bit of acid called formic acid into your skin. This acid leads to a burning sensation and discomfort. To neutralize the effect of the acid and relieve the irritation, a weak base such as baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, or calamine lotion, which contains zinc carbonate, can be applied to the affected area. Question. Nettle stings contain formic acid. What would you rub on a nettle sting to stop it from hurting? Solution is the same as, what is the effect of an ant bite? Explain its cure. Question. How is the basic soil treated? Solution. Basic soil can be treated using organic matter or manure. When organic matter decomposes, it releases acids that neutralize the excess bases present in the soil, thereby reducing its basic nature. Question. What are neutral substances? Solution. Neutral substances are those that are neither acidic nor basic. These substances do not change the color of red or blue litmus paper. Examples include pure water, sugar solution, and common salt solution. Question. What are olfactory indicators? Give examples. Solution. Olfactory indicators are substances that change their odor or smell when reacting with acidic or basic solutions, allowing for their identification. Examples are onion, clove oil, and vanilla. The onion smell is retained in acidic solutions, while it becomes nearly odorless when combined with a basic solution. Question. What are indicators? Classify them and give one example of each. Solution. The substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic are called indicators. There are two types of indicators: natural indicators, man-made indicators. Natural indicators: litmus paper, turmeric extract. Man-made indicators: phenolphthalein, methyl orange, not mentioned in book. Question. If you are given a colorless liquid, how will you find out if it is an acid or a base without tasting it? Solution. The nature of a liquid can be identified using an indicator like litmus paper. If red litmus paper turns blue upon contact with the liquid, it indicates the presence of a base. If there is no color change, the liquid is acidic. Question. What is litmus? How is it prepared? Solution. Litmus is a widely used natural indicator that helps determine whether a substance is acidic or basic. It is extracted from lichens and appears purple when dissolved in distilled water. Litmus is commonly available either as a solution or as paper strips, which come in two types: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Question. Can gardeners alter the color of hydrangea flowers by adjusting the acidic or basic nature of the soil? Solution. You can change the color of some hydrangea flowers by adjusting the soil they grow in. If the soil is more acidic, the flowers turn blue. If it's more basic, they'll turn pink. To make the soil more basic and get pink flowers, you can mix in things like quicklime or slaked lime. If you are going for blue flowers, adding compost or manure will make the soil more acidic. Question. Why does a turmeric stain on a white shirt turn red when it is washed with soap? Solution. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Turmeric paste remains yellow in acidic solutions but turns red in basic solutions. Turmeric on white clothes gives a yellow color, and it turns red when treated with soap because soap is a basic substance, and when it reacts with turmeric gives a red color. Question. No change in color is observed when adding turmeric indicator to a colorless solution. What is the nature of the solution? Solution. The nature of the solution is acidic or neutral. Turmeric is a natural indicator that changes color in basic solutions. The yellow color turns to orange or reddish brown on reaction with a base. While in an acidic solution or neutral solution, the color remains unchanged, which is yellow. Question. You observed that most of the fish in the pond in your village were gradually dying. You also observed that the waste from a factory in your village is flowing into the pond, which probably caused the fish to die. A. Explain why the fish were dying. B. If the factory waste is acidic, how can it be neutralized? Solution. A. The fish were likely dying because the factory waste being released into the pond was acidic or basic in nature. Question. B. If the factory waste is acidic, how can it be neutralized? Solution. B. The factory waste can be neutralized by adding basic substances before releasing it into the lake. Substances such as quicklime or baking soda can be used to neutralize the acid. Question. Why did bubbles occur with vinegar on eggshell or marble but not with soap solution? Solution. The reaction of the eggshell in vinegar is an acid-base reaction. When an eggshell is placed in vinegar, it reacts because vinegar is an acid and the eggshell contains calcium carbonate. This reaction creates bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. Soap solution doesn't cause bubbles because it isn't acidic and doesn't react with the eggshell.